What she did, I cleaned up some stuff over here. She grabbed a bunch of stuff from here. She said, okay, you know what, I'm going to take this. She tried to take it. I jumped, I held her. I even have it on footage. I did not put my hands on her. Okay. I held her, all right, just so she was going to run away with the stuff. And then she started ransacking everything. You guys can come around and see what she did over here, too.
Stuff on the floor.
I had to pick up everything in the middle of the floor because we had customers in the store, but everything she knocked on the floor is right.
All this damage over here, right? You can have footage of that. Okay. She goes across the street, starts yelling.
The whole family.
The whole family. They come
I'm just trying to separate.
Like, I swear to God, we're gonna tear this motherfucking shit down. Wait for her dad. Wait for my cousins. Wait for my uncles. Blah blah blah. That's when I.
Hang on, so 2124 West Mound Street. Sounds like a fight. Hello?
Yes. Hello?
Oh, yeah, what's going on?
Okay, so I have a customer that came in. She's ransacking the store, and she attacked my employee, and she now has her parents here, and she's making a whole scene over here. She's not leaving the store.
Okay. All right, we'll get him out there. What's your name?
Mama.
All right, we'll get him out there.
Yeah, that's her mom. Okay.
On him. I want to press charges on him.
Okay, I'm just asking if she needs a medicine. Where's your emergency? City is County transferring another call for the fight at 2124 West Mound. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Hello?
No, it's not 2124. Oh, yes, it is.
Hello, how can I help you?
What do you? Yes, I want to press charges on his store, man. My daughter is 17 years old. He's been selling her tobacco products, and he just put his hands on her. You're not allowed to. If I would put my hand on my daughter, it'd take me to jail. He put his hands on my daughter.
Okay, talk to the officers that are on their way out there.
Okay.
All right.
Kanye, don't go back up there. Stay down here. Wait on the officers.
By any of our pharmacies, you can protect the people you
Hi, how are you?
All right, what's going on?
Well, I was in the house. I looked across the street and seen my daughter arguing, seen the man with the pole. But either way it goes, he shouldn't have put his hands on her.
Okay, I don't even know what happened.
He most definitely should not have put his hands on her.
You tell him something they don't even know about.
Okay, well, tell them.
Yesterday, I
So
bought
you're
a
the
lighter.
one in the store?
Yes.
Okay.
I bought a lighter. It was a lighter and a lighter leaf.
I'll call you back.
The woman told me that the picture was something different than it was. So last night, I brought it home. I looked at it. I realized it's not what I thought it was, so I wanted to take it back. I asked her. I came back to the store without the lighter and asked her if I could bring it back. She said they don't do the refunds, but I could change it for something different. So I bought it back, and when I told him that, he said, we don't do refunds and you can't switch it. And I was just asking him, he was being very nonchalant.
Sold her a lighter anyway, she's 17.
He was being very nonchalant, like when I was telling him, and it was kind of frustrating me. So I did raise my voice a little bit, but I was not yelling. And he just kept being nonchalant. And then after the woman, he asked the woman if it was true or whatever. She said no.
What, is this another woman that works there?
Yes. And she said it was that I was lying, which why would I lie about a lighter?
Right.
Of all things.
Wait, what?
That she said that she didn't say nothing about the lighter.
Well, either way it goes, she paid for the lighter and they had the lighter.
He would not change my lighter.
They didn't get the money back or the lighter.
And I did knock some of the sausages on the ground. But he pulled my hair.
Which you shouldn't have did shit.
I know
you shouldn't have touched shit in this store that don't fucking belong to you.
I know, but he didn't have to pull my hair. He pulled my hair.
How did he pull your hair, when you were walking away or something?
I was standing at the thing, and I did it like this, and he grabbed my hair. My hair was down. And he grabbed my hair, and he pulled it like this. And I couldn't even move from right there. And I think the lady moved her hands off of me. And then after he pulled my hair, I did knock the rest of it down after he pulled my hair. And then he got a stick, was trying to hit me with the stick. And then we was outside.
My daughter looked across here and seen it, so I ran across here.
You were already outside.
I told him, you're not about to hit my daughter with no damn stick.
The lady started calling me bitches. So I started calling her bitches back.
Okay. All right. Do you have an ID with you?
353. Do you know that's what
I do it.
That's all right. Don't worry about it. What's your name? All right. Sit tight and see what's going on there. We'll be right out. All right. Yeah.
Well, she did. I cleaned up some stuff over here. She grabbed a bunch of stuff from here. She said, okay, you know what? I'm going to take this. She tried to take it. I jumped. I held her. I even have it on footage. I did not put my hands on her.
Okay.
I held her, all right, just so she was going to run away with the stuff. And then she started ransacking everything. You guys can come around and see what she did over here, too.
Stuff on the floor.
I had to pick up everything in the middle of the floor. We had customers in the store, but everything she knocked on the floor is right
All
here.
this damage over here, all right? They can have footage of that. Okay. She goes across the street, starts yelling.
The whole family.
She brings the whole family. They come
I'm just trying to separate.
Like, I swear to God, we're gonna tear this motherfucking shit down. Wait for her dad. Wait for my cousins. Wait for my uncles. Blah blah blah. That's when I saw the situation's gonna get escalated. I grabbed this like this. Right. I did not hit no one.
Sure.
I just tried to show them, like, listen, I'm gonna defend my store. I'm gonna show you the footage. I'm gonna show you everything. They go outside. I did not hit no one. And then she came up to my face. She's like, hit me, hit me. I'm like, I'm not gonna put my hands on you. If you attack me, I don't care how old you are, who you are, male or female.
You go ahead and put that back.
I'm sorry, I'm just showing.
No, you're good.
All right. And then she started. When I called you guys, that's when she started threatening.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring her dad. I'm gonna shoot you guys. I have witnesses over
So did you
here.
say she came back here?
Yes, called us.
No, she did not come back here.
She pushed it over.
She pushed over. She pushed this. She pushed a bunch of stuff from here.
Yep.
All right.
Gotcha.
And I want to trespass all of them. And if there are any charges I could press against them, I could do that.
Okay.
Then,
They were calling us.
I called the dispatcher. I'm not sure if it's recorded. She's giving me an attitude. She's like, sir, she called you. You put your hand on her. Don't assume I put my hands on her.
Excuse me, I gotta help
hands on no one.
Okay. Gotcha. So you didn't touch her at all?
No, he grabbed her.
Oh, you got. Oh, when she was up there.
Her arm and her
She
hair.
had a bunch of stuff over here.
Yep.
I had a bunch of stuff over here, right?
I got you. And
She's like, you know what?
Stopped her from leaving.
She grabbed it like that. She dropped some of it. Then she was gonna go. I jumped right now and I grabbed her, right?
Yeah, I see.
As soon as Lori went around, that's when I let go.
I understand.
All right, brother.
I got you.
I'm not gonna lie. That's exactly what happened.
Sure.
She was gonna leave with some merchandise. I'm not gonna let her leave with.
Do you have the footage?
I do. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead and. Oh, you got it right there.
Okay. We're discussing right now. She's having an attitude.
Do you want to copy your receipt? Sorry, I didn't see. No, you're fine. Do you want to copy your receipt?
So I grabbed the lighter. I asked Lori, did you sell her this lighter? All right. Then I'm like, okay, you know what? This time I will exchange it for you. See, if you notice her hand gestures and her, you could tell her tone is like, I put my hand in, I'm gonna trade it for her, right?
What?
And you don't want to copy your receipt at all?
Then she starts saying, yeah, you better hurry up and stuff, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm sorry, here's your lighter, I'm not gonna do it for you. You're having an attitude now. Of course, these lighters are worth like $400 just these. If she grabbed them, I mean.
Do you have their info, Rob? Awesome. We will do the code 1. We are now watching the video.
All right. Yeah. So the lighter.
Yeah, she tried to bring a lighter back. They don't refund lighters. He tried to say, okay, I'll do it this one
I'm just
time.
gonna give you a better view if that
She
works.
continued
Sure.
to,
Okay, there we go.
she continued to have
That way you see me as well.
Yes.
See a lot. So I was like, okay, ma'am, I'm gonna have you leave, please. I'm sorry.
So I'll watch this while I'm watching that. You want to grab your ID for me so I can get some of your information?
Okay. Probably have to change the angle or something. But anyway.
Thanks, sir. I try to step in.
Okay, so I'm gonna show before.
Yeah, I was gonna say, could you go back to the other view?
Yeah. See, she's pushing stuff and trying to steal stuff. I'm trying to grab her and not. That's
I pushed her out, so get out, go.
Okay, I'm gonna stop right here just to show you I did not threaten no one, did not hit no one.
That's why I told him. I said to all of them, stop.
Okay, so I stand over here and I pull Lori. You can see my hand. I pull her like, okay, she's out the store. Forget about it. Okay. She starts threatening right here.
She's screaming for her family across the street to come over as well, calling us
See, we do not go beyond. We try our best not to go beyond.
I threw her shoe out because she kept saying she wanted her shoe.
Okay.
So I made sure she didn't come back in the store. I took her shoe and I didn't hand it to her because I didn't want to do any hand transactions. So I kind of threw it out towards the parking lot.
Yeah.
Circles, we're out at the Academy from Gas Mask City.
Okay.
Okay. What happened?
With that?
No.
Oh, okay. I was pointing at you. Can I get your name too, since you were here?
She wasn't here.
She was over here on camera yelling at everybody too. So, what's your name?
What's the outcome?
I'm gonna. Here's what happened. So, on camera,
They're yelling back and forth in the store about this lighter. He had said, well, I'll give you this lighter. You take this one. Then she kept arguing. He's like, no, you can't. And then she grabbed both lighters, and then she knocked the sausage down and tried to take off. And that's when we stopped her trying from stealing the other lighter. And that's when her hair got.
The lighters.
I don't know. That's when her hair got pulled. So what we're gonna do? Take a report with her side, his side, and then you guys can go to the prosecutor's office if you want to try and file charges.
I ain't pressing charges on that. I ain't about to do all that. I'll just keep her out the store. She ain't allowed back in.
Yeah. So,
I'm not
but either way,
here. I know it ain't that.
Either way, we're going to take a report with what she's saying happened and what he's saying happened. I would just, it stinks because it's convenient to have the store across the street, but I would just.
Oh, he better not kick me out. I didn't do nothing.
No. He didn't say he didn't want you back or anything. I would just keep her out of the store.
Okay, they got her money too for that. They got her money. $1 is $1. I just paid all my money to move in right there. What you mean?
So
with the $1 that she gave y'all.
Which dollar?
For the lighter the other day?
No, that was $5 for the lighter.
Oh,
the lighter cost $5.
Did she give you money?
That was 5 days ago. I had 2 yesterday. Oh yeah, it wasn't 5 days ago. You said 5, so we got that mixed up. Yeah, the $5 was from the lighter. But she said she gave y'all $1 today.
So do you
to get what she was
do you have that? What was the lighter that she actually bought?
The lighter that she bought was this one right here.
Okay.
And y'all have it because she don't have it. She can have it.
So this is the Bart Simpson one.
No, she doesn't need a lighter.
Okay. Do you want a lighter?
All right, 91.
No, I got one.
And the lighter leaf said that went with it.
No, that was with her. Both the lighter and but it's okay. That's your issue. Let her have it.
No, she doesn't need a lighter.
What does she need?
Her money. She shouldn't have never bought the lighter. That's why she brought it back. I told her she shouldn't. She wanted to trade it for a different lighter. Oh, well, she doesn't need no lighter.
Oh, you're making stuff up.
I'm not making anything up, honey. I'm grown.
First of all, you were not here. Second of all, I have 3 witnesses: myself, her, and the guy that was delivering.
Okay, well that doesn't matter. We want to give the lighter back. So I don't know. We could get something else out the store. I don't know, but she doesn't need the lighter.
I don't return lighter.
No, I don't need it back. No, but she told.
But I mean, it's not that serious. It wasn't that serious.
It's not that serious at all. I wish I would have came instead of her.
Okay. First of all, that's not my issue. My issue is she tried to steal this whole thing. She knocked my store down. She caused damages.
She shouldn't have touched nothing.
$400. All right. Okay. She knocked down the alcohol, this stuff over here. That's what I'm worried about.
Okay. Well, she shouldn't have touched nothing.
Okay. Obviously. So that's my concern right now.
So she doesn't need the lighter. So I'll just get something else out the store instead of getting the money back.
But I mean, how does that work after your daughter just destroyed our whole store?
Right.
I mean,
how does that work after you put her hair and you called her out her name? I couldn't call her a kid.
So
she's 17.
She called me a bitch. I told her to leave the store. She's destroying the store.
No, she said a white bitch, by the way.
Out my name.
Calling racial slurs.
All I asked was her to leave, and I said,
okay. Well, the thing is, she's 17. She shouldn't even have been able to get a lighter.
Okay. So I think here's the deal. Are you going to take the lighter?
I don't want the lighter.
Okay.
Well,
then, if you want, you guys can take them to civil court for the $5 for the lighter. I mean, I can't force exchange of goods. So
that's ridiculous.
All right, let's head on out for now.
It's all right. Can I have a word with you, sir? Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yes.
I don't know. Should I trespass them?
Definitely.
Could we do that?
Yeah, you got to come out here though and tell them they're not allowed in the store. All right, hang on a second.
All right, ma'am. I'm gonna ask you politely. All right. I just told the officer I'm gonna trespass you guys, and I would appreciate if you're not getting my property. All right.
Okay, that's fine. Well, why do I get kicked out? Because I'm her mom? I did nothing.
Listen, dear, the reason I'm saying that is because when you came here, you threatened me with your dad, you threatened me to shoot down the store, all right?
I never said shoot down. You hear me threaten the store.
Okay.
I never said I was going to shoot shit up or have nobody.
I promise.
I swear to God on my dad, I never said
anyway, say you did not see
It's all right. It's all right. We don't gotta come here.
Okay.
But I never said shoot nothing up.
I
And
didn't-
that's a lie that you just
Okay.
told on me in my face.
Okay. I mean, you can take it however you want, but I
Okay.
appreciate
So just-
you guys' time.
So just,
He said I was gonna have.
do you want her trespassing in the store?
Is that the girl that came to my store?
She's the one that
Tell
said
her
it.
she's not allowed at the store. Okay.
You're not allowed
Okay.
in the store. She already know that. I told her she
All
wasn't
right.
coming back
Everybody's
anyway.
trespassed. Just move along across the
He
street.
came out the door with the pole saying he will beat the fuck out of me. Yes, I did say that.
Okay. All
Tell
right.
the truth.
Okay.
Tell the truth.
Okay.
I'm all of 5 foot. What you mean?
Thank you, guys.
No, you're not denying that. He said he was.
Okay. Just head back in.
Thank you.
So I'll get you a report number and.
I would hate
So
for it
just-
to reach this point, but I mean,
No, it's
that
fine.
stuff are unavoidable, brother.
All right. Yeah. Just head in. We'll be in.